Hello everyone, and welcome to this guide on solving GCSE probability problems. Probability is about estimating or calculating how likely or probable something is to happen. Probabilities can be described in words. For example, the chance of an event happening could be certain, impossible, or likely. In maths, probabilities are usually written as fractions or decimals between 0 and 1, or percentages between 0% and 100%.
An event which is impossible has a probability of 0, and an event which is certain has a probability of 1. This means probabilities cannot be bigger than 1. This can be shown on a probability scale.
Think about a die. When a die is rolled, there are 6 possible outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. To find the probability of the event of rolling A4, find the number of possible ways of rolling A4 and divide it by the total number of. Have a look at this question. What is the probability of selecting a vowel from the word probability? A vowel is A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. There are 4 vowels out of a total of 11 letters. Probability. This means the probability of selecting a vowel is 4 over 11. Events that cannot happen at the same time are called mutually exclusive events. For example, a football team can win, lose, or draw, but these things cannot happen at the same time. They are mutually exclusive. Since it is certain that one of these outcomes will happen, their probabilities must add up to 1. Example: a bag contains 12 counters of different colors, 5 red, 4 white, and 3 black. Find the probability of not selecting a red counter. The probability of selecting a red counter is 5 over 12, so the probability of not selecting a red counter is 1 to 5 over 12, which is 12 over 12 minus 5 over 12 equals 7 over 12. Relative frequency is an estimate of probability and is calculated from repeated trials of an experiment. The theoretical probability of getting ahead when you flip a coin is, but if a coin was actually flipped 100 times, you may not get exactly 50 heads, although it should be close to this amount. If a coin was flipped 100 times, the amount of times a head actually did appear would be the relative frequency. So if there were 59 heads and 41 tails, the relative frequency of flipping a head would be 59 over 100, or 0.59 or 59%. A bag contains 3 yellow counters, 2 blue counters, and 4 red counters. Jeff takes a counter at random. The probability that the counter will be red is 4 over 9 because there are 9 counters total. The probability that it will be yellow, blue, or red is 1 because that is all of the counters. Thanks for watching.